I have a friend who is into cryptocurrency. Are you familiar with cryptocurrency? This friend gave a long, compelling speech and explanation about cryptocurrency and invited me one time to join and explain why I needed to invest in it. I truly believed that if I am interested, I would make money. And yet, I did not. Hindi po ako nag-invest. Ang daming invitations left and right about investments. Kung paano kumita ng malaki with your passive income. Kung paano yumaman. Ang daming nag-offer ng ako magiging financial advisor mo and so on and so forth. Gusto mong kumita? Napakadali lang. Minsan, I do not know if you have the same experience. Minsan, ang matagal mo ng kaibigan na walang paramdam, biglang mangungumusta at i-invite ka sa networking and investment. I am not saying it's bad, pero dapat tayong mag-ingat. Brothers and sisters, today, we're going to reflect on spiritual investment. Not material investment, but spiritual investment. And this has nothing to do with money. It concerns our spiritual life. The gospel tells us, sabi sa gospel, do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth. Store up treasures in heaven. The Lord reminds us that life is not just about earning money. It's not just about saving. It's not just about fulfilling our bucket lists. It's not just about traveling, escapades, and enjoying life. We should also invest in our spiritual life to store treasures in heaven. To earn plus points in our Christian life through prayers, through living in the presence of God, through relating well with our neighbors, and doing good deeds we can extend to others. Remember what Jesus said when the devil tempted him, "Man shall not live by bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God." Hindi lang sa mga material na bagay nabubuhay ang tao, kundi bibigyan din natin ng importansya, ng focus, nakatuon ang ating atensyon sa ating spiritual na buhay. The true goal of our heart's quest is God. Nothing less can fill our inner void. We have been created for union with God. Walang ibang makakapuno, makakakumpleto sa mga inaasam ng ating puso, kundi ang Diyos lamang na lumikha nito. It is dangerous to store up earthly treasures because the human heart is insatiable, hindi makontento, and will never be able to soar, but remain in exile on earth, possessed by earthly possessions. Brothers and sisters, today, the Lord is reminding all of us, to balance our life. Life is not only about being materially rich, but also about being rich in the eyes of God. Our inspiration today, St. Aloysius Gonzaga said, "A man who wishes to love God does not truly love Him if he does not have an ardent and constant desire to suffer for His sake. And there is no finer thing in this earth than being faithful to the Lord. Nothing can be compared with it." Amen.